Welcome back to Bizarre Side. As I rolled into work today, there's Terry Swales in front of our building just waving and giving the thumbs up to motorists driving by, people honking and cheering, and a little much.
I thought
a little
you were
over
giving
the
away
top.
free stuff. You were not.
I've had that dream a couple of times, but that's as far as that's gone, Jason. Very nice effort on your part, though. Holy cow. But it was a terrific day, and I was proud to be a part of it. I got the forecast right on this one, that's for sure. And it's just been a pretty easy week of forecasting, to be honest with you. No clouds in our skies, no rain to forecast, just some nice, comfortable temperatures. And now we're starting to get a little bit on the warm side. And tomorrow, real toasty conditions, temperatures more typical of July than the last week of September. And you can see the flag waving at us pretty good out there tonight. That's sending in some nice, mild air. And just notice the absence of weather around the upper Midwest. I mean, you can't even find a cloud here, let alone a raindrop. So this nice weather pattern looks like it's going to be in place right on through tomorrow. Lots more sunshine in our skies and temperatures a little bit warmer than what we experienced out there today. And tonight you can see temperatures are anywhere from 4 to as much as 10 degrees warmer than what we were looking at last night. Part of the reason why is that our winds are now turning more to a southerly direction, and that combined with the dry air and full sunshine is really sending those temperatures upward. And we got all the way to 83 here in the Quad Cities today. 85 in Des Moines and Ottumwa, and out along the western Iowa border there, look at those numbers, 88 today in Sioux City and Omaha, and it's getting pretty late in the season to be seeing temperatures in the upper 80s. It happens, but not a great deal. Now, as far as temps go around here, we're at 77 now in Princeton and Clinton. There's Sterling at 79, but you cross the river and head into Iowa, and a lot of locations there are still somewhere around 80 to 81 degrees. Here in the Quad Cities, we're right on the cusp of that. 80 degrees our current temperature, and today's dew point a little higher at 57, but it's still low enough to give us a humidity of only 45%, winds south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. And as we take a look at the country as a whole tonight, you can see the quiet weather that extends from the Rockies all the way through the eastern United States. I mean, there is hardly any cloud cover all the way from Newfoundland all the way down into Old Mexico tonight. Very rare that you see that. So this is a pretty quiet area of high pressure. But to the west, we do have a trough forming here, and that's causing some rain showers, even some snow at the higher elevations of the west. And that'll be our next weather player. That's expected to move out towards us on Saturday. And ahead of that, we'll get a nice flow of southwesterly winds in here. That'll bring in the warm temperatures. And there should be at least enough moisture for some scattered showers and thunderstorms along the front as it comes on through here Saturday evening. Now, at this point, it still looks like rainfall totals will be light, but considering how dry we are around here, we'll take every drop of rain we can get. And here's the warm temperatures that'll be coming our direction out ahead of the front the next 2 days. And here's somewhat cooler air that'll settle in for Sunday, but that'll be a short-term cool down because we got more 80s in the forecast for next week as another major trough forms in the western United States and sits out there for a few days. But I do see some signs along range of much cooler conditions in here by, say, the second week of October. So we'll be talking more about that in the weeks ahead, I'm pretty sure. Meantime, our future track tonight showing the clear skies extending across our immediate area and the temperatures with the south winds staying warmer tonight in the middle 50s. Tomorrow, all the clouds should be again well to the west of us, and with a full day of sunshine, we're expecting those temperatures to climb well into the 80s. In fact, upper 80s a possibility south of Interstate 80. Tonight then, clear skies, a little milder, a low temperature at 56 degrees. For tomorrow, lots of sunshine once again, a little breezy though, but warm, 86 the high temp here in the Quad Cities. And here's our long-range outlook. We're at 81 on Saturday. The clouds will be increasing during the afternoon, and we could see a shower or storm in here as we get towards the evening hours. But that's long gone by Sunday. That should be another nice day. Temperatures a little cooler, and then we warm it up next week as our temperatures once again get back into the 80s. But I'm seeing signs of a significant pattern change that could really bring some fresh Canadian air in here by about the 7th or 8th of October. And that could very well be the end of the growing season, I'm thinking.
More on that tonight at 10. Thanks,
Terry.
Terry. Roughly 2 decades ago,